So Eric was chosen among probably about 10 different designers and architects that we had interviewed.
That's right.
We noticed a lot of his work in the neighborhood, and were inspired by that. And it really came down to the meeting we had with Eric on first encounter. Very engaging, very intelligent, very great listener.
Very, very professional.
And from that point on, we worked with Eric, and the outcome was very, very positive. The whole process was, I mean, building a house, it's very emotional.
Very stressful. But during our meetings with Eric, he has this charm really to calm us down and really lay out the groundwork for us. And also, I think that the very, very valuable thing that we went with Eric is the interior design package. Literally save us hundreds of hours instead for us to go to shop and pick up each tile and color and so forth.
Yeah, I mean, it seems like a simple thing to pick out a location for a plug or a light switch, or find a fixture, or figure out the color you want the walls, but in reality there's a lot of differences even between ourselves and what we wanted, and just trying to make those decisions, it really made a big difference. Eric was the facilitator, the mediator,
a marriage consultant.
The marriage counselor, yeah. So that was very positive, the interior design aspects, and we're always showing our friends the plans.
Yes.
And something else too. I mean, given the level of intensity in the building construction, because we've never done that before, there were a lot of unknowns, and there were oftentimes phone calls to Eric or text messaging, and Eric was always on the ball. He would always get back to us immediately,
right, yeah.
very, very soon. So that was super, and compared to some of the other stories we've heard about other designers and builders, but and then of course the big plus is we now have a home that we can invite friends and family to on a regular basis, and they're all very much impressed, if not wowed, by the features, the details, just the overall comfort of this home. It's like, you could almost say it's a show home, but it's also a very, very comfortable place to live.
And I think that the part that impressed me the most is it's also the design itself is a very smart design, and Eric utilized each corner and literally each inch of the house, trying to maximize the space, because our lot is slightly smaller than the standard lot. So the design process, it's not an easy process, and I think that Eric put lots of thought into how to make this home just wonderful and meet all our requirements. And also we initially had a few requests. One is to introduce the outside to inside, and also have an open concept.
To make the flow.
To make the flow.
Exterior to the interior.
And Eric executed this plan just perfectly.
I think too the neat thing, given our differences in terms of approaches, Eric was able to realize our differences. For example, the need for a walk kitchen, and transition that into the kitchen area. The open concept, which frankly I wasn't keen about, but I think it's great now. Big differences, and also going the extra mile. I mean, there were numerous occasions when he didn't necessarily have to, but he showed up for meetings, our discussions with City Hall. He was there for that. He made, the little things made a huge difference.
Yeah, and of course during the construction process, we had some emerging calls to Eric, and he's always there holding our hands and
cool, calm, and collect. Eric! How can I help you?
And he actually visited the site and gave us the recommendations and the changes when the process is in place. So we were really very impressed by how, and a part of also that is very approachable, very down to earth, and someone that you can really talk to. And I believe that in this industry where everybody's so busy, time is really essential, and he really showed us he really cares, and he really enjoys what he's doing.
So, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.